Welcome back to Backpacking Banger. Today I just arrived to Cascada El Chiflon in Chiapas, Mexico. So in order to get into the entrance, you gotta get a wristband. It's 50 pesos. And then this will be good for my stay tomorrow as well. The cabana where I'm gonna be sleeping in tonight is up here a little ways as well. So looks like I'm ready to rock and roll. Let's go. So I'm here at Cascadas de Agua Azul. Just got my hotel room here for about $10. Gonna go get some food and go do some exploring. I'll be here for the night and through tomorrow. So should be a good spot. All right, here we are. Beautiful area, nobody here. I can't believe how beautiful this place is. So calm. We're gonna go for a quick little swim here. Hopefully I don't hurt myself. Here we go. Hey, good morning guys. Just want to show you guys what I got for breakfast. I got nice coffee in a nice fancy cup. And then got a beautiful plate here with beans, huevos with onions, and a bunch of rice, salsa, and a ton of tortillas. We're at a beautiful area. I got some limon. Welcome to Miso High Waterfall in Chiapas, Mexico. We're in a cave right now. We're gonna go check out a waterfall. Really dark.